Hey, good afternoon. This is Billy Atkins with CPSC 2100. We're doing Hangman Problem 3, making a Hangman game. And we're going to go over four different objects that we create with making this game. So we're going to have is the word guessed, which is going to basically take the correct amount of guesses. If you guess a correct letter, then it'll add to it. We're going to get our guess word, and then we're going to get available letters, which pretty straightforward. All the available letters in the alphabet, and then this is going to pull the word. And then this is going to actually be where we make the game itself in terms of setting up, asking the user, and everything involved in that. So, anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So, like I'd said in this object here, we need to set a user's correct amount of guesses. We're going to set it to 0, and then we're going to make a loop, and it's going to count every time they get a correct letter. It'll add to that count, and that'll let us know whether their guess is correct or not. So, user guesses, or why you say correct guesses? Correct guess is going to equal 0, and then for letter in range, or not in range, and secret word. That word was pulled. Then if the letter the letter's guessed, they will if we will return the user's correct. This is less or equal to 1. Else will return false. The user's correct is equal. So the equivalence operator to the length of the secret letter or secret word. Then we will return true, which is our Boolean here, which will either return true or false. Else false. So here's the correct guess, and it's going to store them here for the letter in secret word. If that letter in or the for the letter is in secret word, if the letter in the letter's guessed, then the user's correct guesses will increment by 1. And if not, it will return as false. So it's just essentially more like a counter. And this is what's actually checking if it's in the length of the secret word. And so we'll go ahead and move on down to getting the guest letter. The word is going to be blank. And then for equal to the letter. Then once two blank, then it will. Okay. Yeah, yeah, that's in letter and secret word. Letters, yes. Yeah, this essentially is letting you know what letters you've actually guessed. So this is the word that's stored for the letter in the secret word. If the letter is in letters guessed, then the word's gonna add to the letter, and it will return the word. Let's see. And this, like I said, this is more so just the letters in the list, being able to pull the available letters that the user can guess. So letters letters available is just simply going to be all the letters in the alphabet. Okay. And then this is the new list of letters where that's gonna for the letter in letter list, the new list. If it's not in the letters guessed, then the new list will increment with that letter. We'll add that letter to it. And then once the new list equal to also yeah, so these are the letters available, and this is the new list. Every time the letter is that's in the new list is not the letters guessed, the new list will add that letter, and else it will leave it blank. If not, okay. And so here we're actually going to set up the game itself. So we're gonna have the guess list is gonna equal and the guess count with the user counts equal 0. Not 0. You'll have 8 guesses in total for this. Word is equal to the length of the secret word. I want to keep that action. Secret word. Word length is equal to the length of the secret word. And then we're going to print the dash in will drop a new line. And it just makes it cleaner. I'm I'm thinking going to be the string of the word's length. Okay, so while the guess count is equal to 0, how many guesses you can have? Mm, You have, the guess count. Mm, Actually, it's supposed to be a, uh, let's see. Mm, You have blank, you have that many guesses left. And then here's print the it's gonna oh, not equal to then. Print, and this is we're actually gonna use our getter here. So we're gonna get the manglable letters. This I guess is left. Yes. Yes. List. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's pulling from this guest list. Yeah. Now I'll tell you how many available. And then guess input equal input. And this is actually going to use the user input here. It's going to ask them to prompt to guess a letter. Um, Yes. Um, yes. Hmm. Actually, that's not supposed to be an equal. It has to be a greater. Yeah. 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 So because I'll run till it's zero, not equal to zero. Let's see. I guess input is not is not in it's not in the guest list. It's not in the guest list. Guess list will append and not not append yes. Which then else it will print. Oh, no. Yeah, so I'll add it to that input, and if they've already guessed it, then we'll guess another letter. So we can say print. Please try another. And yeah, it's gonna print the get yes. Oh, yeah, get yes. Yeah, we're pulling that object. We're in secret word and yes, list. And yes, yes. And then keep letting it go. And then if the yes, it is in secret word. And we're gonna print. This is gonna, so this is for if they guess a letter, it's already in there, then they can try again. And this one, we're actually gonna make it where if they do guess the right letter that's in it, then we'll add it to the list. So we're gonna print, just good guess. Or nice. Or keep going. So we're going to nice, keep going. End. We're gonna get the guess word. We're gonna pull it and do the secret word and the guess word. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, I see. Hmm. Oh, wait. Yeah. That's it. I close the comma closes it. Hmm. Okay. And then we will print. Actually, you know what? Uh I'll do this. Just so they're all the same length. And then if the if the is word yes is in no word guesses. Guess list. Uh, So if they essentially have all of the letters guessed, then it'll print you in, you know, break it. Then else, this will stop everything completely, and then we'll then just continue. And then if the user, oh wait, else, else, let's see. Yeah, there you go. So else, they don't finish it completely, then they'll Mm, sorry. This is where this was. And that equal and then we're on that. And then yeah. Okay. And then we'll need this. This will convert it to every if they guess like a capital, we'll convert it to a lower. Choose the word. Right. Okay. Mm, let's try running it. Unexpected. Oh, I'm missing one. Where might that be? There we go. Yep. Running. Oh, after an else. Oops. Ah, okay. Oh. Hmm. Oh, it's length. Oh, needs to be length. And then right, hangman. Hmm. Hmm. I guess it was just the length. Okay. Oh, I'm missing a space there. Well, at least that was right there. Let's see. Let's try it anyways. Think of a word that is put a space here and here, and then you have link. Yes, I am thinking of a word. Yeah, okay. There we go. I should fix it. But anyways, I'll go ahead and try running it now anyways. So let's guess. B. Oops. Okay. Name letter. Letters. It's not. Yeah, it's supposed to be letters guessed. Letters guessed, and then I don't. I'm not too sure on that one yet. Let's try again. Oh, what the heck? You have 8 guesses left. There we go. Another 62. What was that now? For users correct guess. Be up here. What's hers guess? Wait. Okay, there we go. Oh well. No. Why didn't it decrement? Hmm. Hmm. Oh, I didn't even. Oh crap! I didn't even put a. Oops. Let's see. Let's continue. Oops, I completely forgot to put a function that decrements that else. Hmm. If guess input is secret word. This needs to come out into. There we go. And so that if I make another if statement that uses that, it will be in the same. Yeah. So if then I can do an else statement from that point. Else if the small is one, then we're gonna print just it's not in the letter or that letter is not in the word. Try again. And or, and then just copy this. We actually have to print the get the guest word. Let's see. Secret word. Um, oh, ones. There we go. Okay. Later. Now let's try that again. Okay. So now whenever I guess, they'll decrement the guess count by one. So let's see. H. It's not in the word. Let's try H again just to see. That letter's already in there, so that worked fine. Let's see. Let's try a vowel. A. E. Okay, great. Okay, E. E is in there. We have six guesses left. Um, let's do another vowel maybe. How about an S? I'm not doing very well. Let's see. L maybe? And T. And M. Proper. Oh, I was not close. Well, anyways, though, so yeah, we ended up getting a secret word. That's what the word was. I haven't, I don't think I need that space because I have this. Which will end it with that space. So sorry you ran out of guesses. Okay, well, I think that about does that. So we have our is words guessed. So this holds the user's correct guesses. If the letter was in the letter's guess, it's going to increment by one. If else, return false. Here's our Boolean statement. Returns either true or false if it's in the length of the secret word. The secret word, we're going to get the guess word. So this is going to pull the word, the letters in secret word. If letter is in the letters guessed, then it will add to that letter and if else. And then the word, they're going to make that word equal this. So that's our placeholders here. And so, and if else, leave it blank, new list. And this is essentially all the mechanics for the game. Count count of the letters, the length of the secret word, the guess list that holds all of your guesses. Pretty basic. Welcome to the game. A while loop that has a condition while the guess count is greater than zero. So as long as you have over eight guesses, and then once you go down to zero, the game while that occurs, it'll go all the way to else, and then once you run out of your eight, we'll print in secret word. It's going to end in line with the period. Let's see. This asks for the user input to guess a letter. If the letter was not in the guess list, it will append in the guest list. Else, try this letter. Please try again. So this is essentially just going to add to the guest list. That's what append does. Just adds. And then I'll continue. The guest list is in the secret word. Nice. Keep going. We'll pull the secret word in the guest list. Let's see. If you guess all the letters, secret word is in the guest list, then you win. Break. And then if not, continue. If it wasn't in the guess list, or if it wasn't in the secret word, the letter that you guessed, then it will decrement the guess count in the by one and give you a prompt. And then also you ran out of guesses. And I don't really need this because I printed it here. But if you wanted to, you could get rid of this and then it'll print and you could use that, I guess. But yeah. Anyways, though. And I think that should just about do it on this project. Thank you.